G'day folks, Puck here and welcome back to the tutorial series with trainworld. Once again, a thank you for Turnpoint Games for providing me with a free review copy of this game. So, part 2, rail types and color coding. Let's get stuck in. Okay, the Rails panel contains all the tools you need for laying and editing tracks. Click on this button to open the Rails panel. In the train world, the game always pauses when the player is constructing. Excellent. Let's check available tools. Single track tool allows you to lay individual tracks, connect junctions, and create various rail configurations. Excellent. So now we have the explanation. Roger. Edit tool. Use this tool to modify existing tracks, including changing rail types, adding or removing electrification, upgrading to high-speed rails, and altering bridges and tunnels. Nice, excellent. And then of course double track. Well, we know what double track means. Excellent. Okay, as you progress through the game, your rail options will automatically improve with each era. With each new era, your rails are upgraded to support higher maximum speeds, enhancing the efficiency of your network. You can unlock new types of bridges and tunnels via research. Oh, cool. I think that's down further. We're going to explore research, which will offer improved functionality and design. Also, you will be able to unlock electrification and high-speed rail. Okay, so that's high-speed electrification, single, edit, double track. Roger, got that. Okay. Electrification allows usage of electric locomotives. It is pricey and the player should choose wisely where to use it. Electric locomotives are often fast, powerful, and cheaper to run. Exactly, you don't really want to put electric trains on mountains and hills and, you know, where the grades are high. The last option is a high-speed rail. It allows trains to reach hugely astonishing speeds. This can be very useful in increasing passenger throughput. Bridges are critical components of your rail network, allowing trains to cross obstacles like rivers, valleys, and other tracks. Next, we will learn about various bridge types. Okay. Oh, that's a wooden bridge. I must admit, I did quite like the level detail. I mean, it's simplified, but oh, look, there's a giraffe. So we're in Africa. Look, that's a giraffe. Anyway. Concentrate. Wooden bridges are available from the start, have low cost. They are limited in speed and cannot support double tracks or electrification. That makes sense. Well, then we got, this is a brick, okay. Brick bridges, try saying that 5 times. Brick bridges are unlocked in the first era and moderate costs. These bridges support double tracks, electrification, and have no influence on speed. Nice. And then we have iron bridges. These are unlocked in the second era, cheaper than brick and have moderate speed limits. These bridges do not support electrification or double rail and serve as a cheap alternative for brick bridges. Okay, yep, okay. And then concrete bridges are unlocked in the third era, are expensive and have no effect on speed. These bridges have long spans, allow double rail and electrification. Okay, cool. They've got some good options here for the bridges. Steel bridges are unlocked in the third era. They're the most expensive in the game. These bridges also have long spans, allow double rails, electrification, and no speed limits. Excellent. Okay. 160, 160. You can quickly check which limitations are applied to the selected bridge type by checking the limitations section. Okay. So you just click on the limit. Okay, so you're building your bridge. Select a bridge, limitations, and it will tell me. But here I can see there's 160, 160. Okay. Oh, tunnels. There are only 2 tunnel types, brick and concrete. The only difference between these tunnels is the number of rails that could be built next to each other. Built next to each other? Oh, hello, what's this? It is important to understand how different rail types are visually represented in the map. Each rail type is color-coded, allowing you to easily identify and manage your tracks. Okay, this is something I need to write down because I always forget. Right, let's go. brown represents regular default train tracks with no upgrades or electrifications, the basics. Cool. Green, the rail with electrification, allowing electric locomotives to operate. Okay. Blue is high speed, but not electrified. And the Magneta, okay, this is high speed rail with electrification, so it combines the benefits of both high speed and electric. Okay, so basic, electric, high speed, and bish bosh bash, high speed electric. Cool. Oh, look, San Diego's got cows. If you see a yellow icon, this means the end of any track segment that does not connect it to another rail. It serves as a visual cue to help you identify and address incomplete or isolated sections of your train. Excellent. That concludes our tutorial with a solid understanding of bridge types and color coding. You're now equipped. Okay. Excellent. Congratulations. Woohoo! Alright, well, that was a nice short episode. Let's go back into the tutorial and go quick and effective rail laying. Let's build some rails. Click on the Rails button to open the Rails panel. Place the start of the new rail segment. Yep. Move the cursor to the next selected highlighted area and click the left mouse button to place it. Yep. And then, yep, green's successfully ready to build and done. During rail construction, color-coded placement gizmos at the end of the new rail segment show how the track will connect and align with existing rails. Roger that. Cyan indicates the new rail end is not connected to anything and is not near any existing track. The color shows that the placement will create a new isolated section. Okay. Dark cyan shows that the new rail end connects to the end of an existing rail. This color signifies that the new segment will join seamlessly with the existing. Cool. Blue denotes that the new rail end is in the middle of an existing rail. This indicates that the new segment will be inserted between two existing sections of track in a junction. Yep, okay. Magneta, my goodness, cyan, Magneta. Just give me basic colours. It indicates that the new rail end is parallel to an existing rail line. This colour helps in aligning the new segment with the orientation of an existing rail. Excellent. And then dark Magneta shows that the new rail end is both connecting to the end of an existing rail and is parallel to that rail. This colour ensures that the new segment will continue seamlessly and align perfectly with the existing track. Okay, a lot of colours there, fine. Now let's look at the height editing options. Right, now we are at auto mode, signified by the A letter on the button. Oh yeah, okay. This default mode lets rails follow the train closely, ideal for general track lane. Click on the button to switch. Right. So S is for slope settings. This option allows you to manually adjust the slope at the end point relative to the start point. It's ideal for creating gentle inclines or declines over long distances. I'm guessing we can't do anything right now. Try dragging the lever up and down. Yeah. Okay, so there's a minimum, that's a maximum and maximum. Okay. Then we'll go there. Okay, we can see it's a 86. This height, H setting, this option lets you set the height of the endpoint to a fixed value determined by the player. This feature is particularly useful for creating perfectly horizontal rails. Okay, can get ahead of yourself? When this option is selected and the starting point of the new rail segment is not connected to a previously constructed rail segment, the start point height will also be set to the selected value. Click a few times on the plus button to increase the height of the segment till it becomes a bridge. So that was 6 clicks to become a bridge. Okay. Now confirm the button to finalize. Yep, okay. And we're restricted to 80 because obviously that looks like a wooden bridge. As you can see, this makes it especially useful for building overhead crossovers. It does. like this. Oh yeah, you can see the bank. We've got a bridge and then we got a bank. Nice. Now I'm going to show you how to update existing rails. Nice. Here you have an old rail with an iron bridge. Oh yes, we've got the iron pillars. And we want to modernize it. Click on the edit tool. Edit. Now let's stick the concrete bridge. Okay. We also want to use electric locos, so they've go electrification and high speed. Oh, we're doing it all, aren't we? Just hover over the rails till they turn yellow and click once. Okay. Click once. Boom. Oh yeah, and I can see the catenary here. Nice. Okay, that's, yeah, nice and simple. Click that clock. Boom. Okay. I like that. Finally, we're going to learn how to build rails quickly. Yes, please. We are starting the same way as before. Place start of a similar rail by clicking in the highlighted area. Move the cursor to the, oh, okay. So it just goes to, okay, it's automatically, good. You don't have to click the mouse button to place the end of the rail, just hit space key. Oh, brilliant. Oh, look at this. Ooh, doggy. The new segment is built. Now move the cursor towards the highlighted area. Yep. And space. You don't have to click. Yeah. Okay, so we can just go on our mirror. Oh, this is going to be great. Hit space again to build new segments of rail. Can I? Yep. Excellent. Combining cursor, camera movement, and hitting space allows you to continue adding new rail segments to the previous ones without extra clicks. Now press the C key to break construction. Okay, so C, roger. Okay, recap. Position new rail segment, then hit space to build it. Move cursor, space, key, yep, C to stop it. Excellent, okay, nice. Practice as much as you like, and when you're ready, hit next. Okay, let's practice. Oh, yeah. It's like my first model train, see this? No, I want you this way. I press C. Woohoo! We've got a racing track. Excellent. Okay, yeah, nice. So you got to drag that first lot and then you press, yeah. Congratulations on finishing the section. You've learned the essential techniques for efficient rail construction in trainworld. I'll forget by the time we need to go and play. Keep practicing to refine your skills and you're laying tracks like a pro in no time. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, folks, we've completed that part of the tutorial. So we've got 2 phases done today. Excellent. Yeah, okay, little bits and pieces, getting to know. I think the tutorials are quite, so far so good. So yeah, that is, so we've covered rail types and color coding and also quick and efficient rail laying today. So next episode we will get into the next section of the tutorial and we'll just go through. So we may have 1 or 2 sections per video, we'll see. And like I mentioned at the end of the series, I will be doing a live stream on YouTube only. We will just do a game and see how we go. Until next time, folks, thank you for your support. Take care of yourselves and each other. Till next time, I am Pakiera. As always, kia kaha.